Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are gonna do a unwind with me. Basically it's like in the evening after dinner, stuff like that. I'm just gonna unwind and I'm gonna spend some time with my husband today because it is the weekend and we start doing this new thing where we're watching movies, whether it's at home or we're going out to watch movie or spending time with each other without the kids. So on this day I will be making a healthy meal, which it's gonna be some carrots, broccoli, and chicken, not breast, boneless chicken thighs, and that's what we're gonna eat for dinner. Now I was a little bit intense to cook this because my husband is not a person to eat veggies. By the way, the kids wanted pizza because it's a weekend, so they had pizza, and Auntie Jenny's brought them to buy ice cream and stuff like that, so they were good. So all I'm doing is making dinner for me and my husband, and that's what's up. So I was super excited, a matter of fact, to do this meal. This is the first time I'm doing it. So basically we're just gonna take care of the meat, wash it, season it, let it stay, and prep the veggies. And I tell you, you guys looking at this, it was so good. All right. All right, guys. So all I'm adding to the chicken is some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of that Lari seasoning for chicken. It is absolutely amazing on it. There's no salt, no nothing. So most of the times when I'm seasoning my meat, this is what I add. These powder seasoning, they are not actually sodium seasoning, okay, or MSG. So I just want to make that clear. And we're just gonna season that, leave it. To be honest, you could just add some black pepper, some salt, and you would be fine. But anyway, we're gonna season that, leave it, and then prep the veggies, and then we're gonna cook. Now, when cooking, all I add was a little bit of water and some Chinese sauce. That was it, a little bit, because that also has sodium, so you don't need a lot. And this meal was absolutely simple, easy, and delicious. I also use my caraway pot set, which I absolutely love. You guys need this investment pot set. Mother's Day is coming up and it is everything, I can promise you that. So I love it. Only use it for simple meals though, but you guys will get it. All right. No, I use olive oil to cook my simple meals, and we added garlic, as you guys can see, because garlic flavor is absolutely delicious. So we added garlic to that. We're just gonna stir fry that too. How you like it? Me personally, I like my meat well cooked, so I did just that. And yeah, we're adding everything to it. This was absolutely beautiful, and it also tastes amazing. Now, all we're adding is some fish and meat season, which is also my favorite. I didn't remember to mention that the Chinese sauce and a little bit of water. Let that steam, not too soggy. I like it really crunchy. And then we are gonna dish that out for me and Abby. I was like, ugh, this is what we cook. He was so hungry, but this is what we make, or this is what I make. This is what I wanted, something real simple, more relaxed, and just healthy. So I was surprised. You guys are gonna be surprised too. Look. All right, guys. So it's time for me and the husband to eat. We're drinking some pineapple and mango drinks. He's praying. Olivia always want to be in the midst, so she's here with us. And yeah, it was delicious. He actually enjoyed it. We were there eating, and he was actually talking, right? And he was like, "Oh, this I really eat it. Look at his face." So he's what and shaking his head. So he did enjoy it. Okay. So I told him, like, listen, let's go on a week of eating veggies, no carbs. And he was like, I'm down for it because this tastes so good. So happy he enjoyed it, and I did as well. And I was a little bit surprised too. So we did that. Okay.
You can't believe me, this guy. I swear to that.
Mommy,
Yeah, it's only even the breakfast. And even put my chicken on it.
lunch.
The time.
Mommy, outside.
Because it's more juicy.
Mommy, the juice.
I could use the breast too, but I wanted to use the Thai.
I had two things, guys.
What is this?
Either the food really bad and tastes good, or
You're hungry?
you're hungry.
No, it's good. Because I thought I was going to be picky too, even though I enjoy vegetables.
Mama, Mommy, this.
I think this is the first time I ever eat so much vegetable.
Vegetable. Mm-hmm.
If you do the vegetable like this all the time,
Mama, the juice.
I can eat this as my diet.
Ice.
Let me taste it. How she eat your already and put your...
No.
I think we cut them too small. They were supposed to be a little bit more juicy. Alright guys, it is that time for me to take a bath. We are not taking a shower today. So anyway, I am preparing everything, and this is the first time, is it? Or the second time I'm using the bath, to be honest. So my husband was a little bit jealous, but hey girl, we gonna do that. Unwind and enjoy this. To be honest, I did take a shower before. I did. That's just me. I just feel like I ain't finna clean nothing. Okay, I am not gonna do it. So added some salt to it because earlier in the day I did a wedding, and I'm taking back clients, by the way, for makeup. So I did a wedding, so I really was on my feet, and I just wanted to relax and everything. And we're gonna light some candles, or Joe Malone candles, of course. Oh, it was a vibe, you know. I enjoy this. I was also watching a live on my phone. I think one of my friends was live and she was praying and stuff. So I was watching a live last night, enjoyed, and then I went on YouTube to watch a home update video because I'm into those stuff. So yeah. So I enjoy this night, and we're gonna do this a little bit more. However, the blue lights are on, and this was like intentional. We actually have blue lights in our bathroom. Yay! So I did turn the Alright guys, it is time for us to do our skincare, and I do this every night, every morning, and my products are amazing. You better go and check it out once it's dropped because you're not gonna regret it. I stand by this. Everybody that sample these products, stand by it. So we would greatly appreciate the support. We're trying to launch the skincare side on Mother's Day, so you guys can pre-order it. But you guys are gonna love it. If you want to know more about the products, I'll definitely include it in my weekly vlog, which is coming up on Wednesday or Thursday. So doing our skincare after we take a bath, and yeah, I'm gonna unwind and we are gonna spend some time together. I do use the cleanser, then I use the toner, the serum, and then the moisturizer, and then we are done with that. And then we're just gonna lotion our skin, smell good, prepare ourselves, and go spend time with our husband. So it's time for me to check on the kids, which I normally check on them and pray over them at nights. If they needs to cover or stuff like that, I'll do that. And that's what I do nightly, you know. Make sure, sometimes when I'm extremely tired, I make sure I tell them like, hey, make sure you pray. Go pray, brush your teeth, stuff like that. But I went up there to make sure they're okay, cover them. I always touch their heads and, you know, pray for guidance over them and stuff like that while I pray in my room for them as well. So sometimes the prayer is short, sometimes it's long, but I always cover them. Okay, these are my kids. I love them. Now, guys, it is time for me and Kushane to spend some time together. I had some ice cream, so we're about to eat ice cream and watch this movie called Plane, which we completely done it today because we fall asleep. So we were watching Plane. Love it and just spending time together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. God is love. Bye.